Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Google Play balance into redeem code. So the short answer to that question is no. Google does not allow users to convert an existing Google Play balance into another redeem code or gift card or transfer it to another account. So once your balance is loaded via gift card, promo reward, and etc., it becomes locked to your Google account only. But here are legit workarounds that you can do. So the first one is you can buy an in-app item and ask the developer to refund externally. So some applications or games allow you to buy an item using Google Play balance. So the developer refunds manually via GCash, PayPal, and etc. So instead of Play Store, but this depends on the developer and is not guaranteed. So you can just try it, and if it works, then good. Now, there's also another workaround, which is you can use Google Play balance to buy Google products indirectly. So you can use your balance to buy YouTube Premium, YouTube Super Chat, apps and games, in applications purchases, Google One storage, movies and ebooks, and etc. Then you can then sell the account of or subscription to someone, like for example, buy 1 month Google Premium using Play Balance and then sell the subscription to a friend. So those are the legit and the only legit workarounds that you can do to use your balance in flexible ways. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.